You search for how to buy shares of Plains All American Pipeline LP, so this video walks through the basic steps. Plains All American Pipeline LP is a U.S. midstream energy company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PAA, and this overview is educational only, not financial advice. To buy PAA, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as a demonstration of the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which typically requires an identity document, and you must add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PAA to locate Plains All American Pipeline LP. Make sure you select the matching NASDAQ listing to avoid similarly named instruments. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the correct stock. Check the listing details and recent price history before proceeding. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to allocate, review order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once completed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for the example eToro link if you want to explore the platform used in this demonstration.